It's a wild one. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Day Update for Tuesday, December the 29th. The year is quickly ticking away, and the markets are bananas. Today's update is being brought to you by our partners at Family Farms. Those of us who want to educate and help our farmers do a better job and help them make more money and protect what they got. In the meantime, it has been one wild and crazy day. The markets are exploding higher. They turned over, went back lower. Now they're higher again. As we wrote and texted this morning, this is a wild trade. It really doesn't pay to trade. Again, if you're in, that's one thing. If you're trying to pick trades during the day, it is so wild and fast that you better be quick and sharp and know your exits. In the meantime, we are still long the indexes across the board. That has not changed. The metals, they're all higher, by the way, at the moment. The metals are mixed or very sloppy today, but that's typical in a consolidating pattern. We are long platinum, gold, and silver. Crude is, again, very similar all over the place. We are still long crude, bonds, and notes. It's amazing. I'm going to say almost every product are all over the place. And, of course, we are still long the bonds and notes. And natural gas a little bit higher. We're short. Copper is a little bit lower. We're still long. The dollar is flat, and we're still short. Again, when you look at the overall picture, you understand that this is a crazy illiquid market, that there is not much going on, and sometimes it's better to watch and versus trying to be too active. Now, obviously, our positions will not change either way. In the grain markets, grains were higher. They were much lower. Now they're all higher across the board. Corn is trying to shoot for that 468 level. Beans are up about 10. Wheat's up. Here we are. We're along the grains across the board. Meats are all slightly higher. We're along all the meats across the board. So, again, basically, we're in pretty solid shape, but I put no stock, pardon the pun, in these markets where they are. They are where they are. Okay, that's it. I mean, it's just that simple. It's wild. It's crazy. It's illiquid. Okay, so, again, you can certainly get involved if you know what you're doing, but be very careful. The softs, I really didn't look since early this morning, but last I looked, cotton was higher, OJ was lower, coffee was slightly higher, sugar was slightly higher, cocoa was lower. Our positions are exactly the same as they were yesterday, which is long cotton, short OJ, long coffee, short sugar, and short cocoa. So again, it's just a wild day, not much to do, and I don't want anybody to get themselves in trouble here. Very, very fast. I've traded a lot today already, which is unusual, but, you get in these positions. In the meantime, again, my overall net positions never change. I don't even touch them during the day. It's just the intraday trading in these wild markets. Just be very careful. You're much better off. And sometimes, as I said, it's better to pass. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. And again, I do have other brokers, but for futures and commodities, we use the CTG Group. Terrific people, great job, great customer service. They trade my accounts. Okay, they are the only authorized letter of direction trader that I allow to get my algorithms. And they've got their own great managed futures products. You want to check them out, please do. CTG Group, and of course, in equities and options. There's nothing like Trader, who is also going to sponsor a free 6-week training course on options. I mean, and yet their fees are $10 a month flat for their brokerage. And there's more. We also are automating everything, which you have the opportunity, should you choose to do so. That's up to you. But you can automate your portfolio based on your own specific instructions of what you want it to do. And again, that's Trade Your Brokerage. If you want information, either one, just email me at bob@bubbatrading.com. And our commodity report with Andy Heck, there's nothing like it. Wait till you see these quarterlies. This will be the last day I will offer. If you'd like to see last week's issue to get a feel for what he's doing, shoot me an email, bob@bubbatrading.com. And, of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And we made a little package on the Buffalo Bills last night, although we did hedge some of it off, as I said I would. In the meantime, have a great day and be careful out there. And if you're going to trade, buckle up. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Bubba's Daily Update.